The story of Acer, the company that powered students of the world. Once upon a time, many decades ago, learning was a marvelous adventure, but the tools to explore it were often locked away. The world needed a helper, a company that believed everyone, everywhere, deserved the power of knowledge right at their fingertips. In 1976, a group of friends in Taiwan started a company called Multitech, which would later become Acer. Their dream was simple: to make complex technology easy for everyone to use, especially students ready to build the future. They worked hard, believing that powerful machines shouldn't just be for scientists or big corporations. They needed to be affordable and reliable, so that a young girl named Anya, dreaming of becoming an architect, could practice drawing bridges. Acer grew quickly. Their first big success was making desktop computers that fit perfectly into classrooms. Suddenly, students could access vast libraries of information and practice math problems with lightning speed. But classrooms weren't the only place learning happened. Acer realized students needed technology that could travel. They started building slimmer, portable laptops, devices that could go anywhere, from a university lecture hall to a quiet park bench. Soon, Acer was connecting students across continents. In a bustling city apartment, Anya used her Acer laptop to research sustainable building materials from other countries. And far away, in a remote community, Kenji used his Acer computer to learn coding, preparing himself for a world of digital possibilities. The technology was tough, dependable, and always ready to work. Acer continued to invent, making computers faster, screens clearer, and batteries last longer. They made special notebooks perfect for homework and powerful gaming laptops that taught problem-solving and teamwork. Because of these tools, Anya finished her studies and started designing real, beautiful skyscrapers. Kenji launched his own app that helps people share knowledge about the environment. Acer had helped them turn dreams into reality. Today, Acer is still focused on supporting students and curious minds everywhere. They remember their simple dream from 1976 to unlock the power of knowledge for the world, one reliable computer at a time.
I hope you found this video enjoyable and informative. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content just like this.